In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give access to a Facebook page. We'll be using Meta Business Suite, which is Facebook's dashboard for managing pages, ad accounts, and other business assets. Make sure you're already logged into the Facebook account that owns or manages the page you want to share access to. First, open Meta Business Suite in your browser and head to the main dashboard. This is usually where you see an overview of your pages, notifications, insights, and messages. Take a second to confirm you're in the correct business account if you manage more than one. From the dashboard, look for the Settings option. This is often found in the left-hand menu or near the bottom of that sidebar. Click on Settings to open up the area where you can manage people, permissions, and assets. Inside Settings, find the section for people or business users, and then look to the top right corner of the screen. You should see a button that says Invite People. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you'll add the person who needs access. A window will appear asking for an email address. Type in the email of the person you want to add. Make sure it's the email they use for Facebook or for work, and double check the spelling so the invite goes to the right place. Once you've entered the email, click on Next. This takes you to the permissions screen, where you choose what kind of access they'll have. Here, you'll see a toggle that lets you give them full control. Turn that toggle on if you want this person to have admin level access. Full control means they can manage settings, assets, and other people. So only do this for someone you fully trust, like a team member or agency partner. When you're happy with that choice, click Next. Now you'll see a list of the Facebook pages in this business account. Click on the specific pages you want to give them access to. If this person is going to be an admin across all your pages, you can use the Select All option. On the right-hand side, you'll see another toggle for full control of each selected page. Turn this on as well to match the level of access you chose earlier. After reviewing everything, click Next. On the final screen, you'll see a button to send the invite, showing how many assets you're sharing, such as invite with 2 assets. Click that button, and the invitation will be sent to their email. Once they accept it, they'll have access to the page or pages you selected.